Hello, magandang araw po sa lahat. Welcome back to our channel, the Bohol Forex Trader. Today, I will be teaching you how to download the Metatrader 4 application in your mobile devices. So let's start. First, you go to your Play Store. You search for the Metatrader 4. Metatrader 4. Ito yung logo niya, tatlong tao, tapos may 4. Then, click install. So, itong Metatrader 4 na application, dito kayo dito kayo magte-trade, dito kayo mag-execute ng buy and sell. Dito kayo makaka-monitor kung profit ba or losing ba yung inyong trades. Now, click natin yung open. So, pagka open mo dito, may nakalagay open demo account. Please wait. Click mo natin dito sa taas, sa upper left. So makikita mo Metatrader 4 Android demo yan. Click mo yung manage account. And may 100,000 demo yan. So delete muna natin yan. Delete account. Tapos ngayon, mag-a-add tayo. Click mo tong plus. Log into an existing account. Dito nakalagay find broker. So, isi-search mo yung broker sa pag-create mo ng trading account. Sa atin, titingnan natin yung yung server. So, server HFMarkets SV Live Server 3. Ito yan. Live Server 3. So, i-input natin doon HFMarkets. Hanapin natin, SV Live Server 3. HFMarkets SV Live Server 3. Yun, naka-server 3 ka na. Then, next is your account number. Ito yun, 3269693. So, login mo, 3269693. Then, your password. Yung password, ito. So, sa trader's password, pag trader's password ginamit mo, you can execute, buy, sell, close orders, gano'n. Pag investor password naman, viewing access ka lang or yung parang spectator ka lang doon. Hindi ka makaka-place ng trade, kundi makaka-view ka lang ng iyong account. So, sa trader's password na ang i-input natin. EPZ, ito yan. EPZ. Copy natin. Copy. Paste natin dito. Try natin kung tama ba yung copy. Pag ganyang matagal, meaning nun, mali yung password na input mo. Yun, mali. Authorization failed. So, type na lang natin manually. So, EPZ 4WM 3P 3 small letter P. Sign in. Yun. Gino para Ponzi. $0. So, makita mo $0. Di pa tayo nag-deposit. Yun yung na-create natin. And then, click mo to. Itong candles na to. So, it will show you the candlesticks. Kasi ito namang araw na yan. Yan yung magiging actual mo na So, that is how you log into your HFMarkets. So, yung mga buttons na to, we will make another video for that tutorial next time. So, as for now, is nakalagin ka na dun sa Metatrader 4. Thank you and have a nice day.